Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. As today I will show you how to make custom stair. So before I'm doing that, we gonna create a new file. Let's see, default ENG, and click OK. Now I'm going to manage and project units to change to okay, it's on millimeters, so it's fine. Then we're going to architecture and then stair. In here, if you want to make a custom stair, that you can see a little icon, create sketch. Now we will sketching the custom stair that we want. For example, I will use curve. And then I'm gonna just offset it like this. After I'm setting or sketching the boundary, I set the riser of the stairs. Maybe I will randomly like this. Then don't forget to set the star fat like this. Then after all, you can click finish edit mode. Now we are going to 3D. As you can see right now, the custom sketch that you made already set on 3D model. After that, just click finish edit mode. You can change to the shaded, and here we go.